so here I am in Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Jimmy, and Jimmy, could you introduce your company?
Yeah, and hello everyone, I'm Jimmy, and I'm very excited here to be with Dara together to introduce our brand Halftoys and our latest toy collections.
It's very cool.
Yeah, let me introduce about our company.
Yes.
So we are Halftoys, a China-based manufacturer, toy maker, toy designer, toy exporter with more than 10 years of experience.
So what you say you export? So where are your main markets that you export to?
Yeah, basically we export to everywhere.
Wow.
Korea, Japan, North America, and Europe, and South America.
Okay.
Yeah, almost everywhere.
And so you have the certifications with your factory to your different safety certifications?
Yeah, of course. The quality and the safety is our priority.
Yes.
So we meet our product Halftoys. We meet many international safety standards like ASTM, EN71, CPSIA, free of lead and salad, and REACH, and almost many standards in Korea, Japan. Yeah.
It's a great thing to hear because like as much as that make the kids have fun, it's good to keep them safe as well. That's a very good thing.
Yeah, and our factory we're certified with the ISO 9001, and you can see that there. So we have the under SMETA and the BSAI.
Absolutely. Okay. Very good to hear. So I've never say this. I'd love to hear about your product. So what's the newest product that I can see?
Yeah, let me introduce our product.
Yes.
So it's we are called Halftoys because it's split in half
Wow.
to reveal a skeleton inside. So it's like 3D puzzle.
Wow.
So it can put it apart and assembly together.
Wow, and it's like it gets the kids
like
really interested in like the anatomy
It's like
of
a
these.
3D puzzle.
Yeah.
So it stimulates their curiosity and hands-on exploration.
Yeah.
So it's kind of
It has
many skills.
And so what would be like your top selling range at the moment?
I guess it was the dinosaurs, and the ocean creatures.
Okay.
In dinosaurs, we have T-Rex. This is a bestseller.
And you even have these little sets to put them in, is that correct?
It's come with a diorama.
Wow,
So it's
okay.
like their habitat. The habitat can be combined to each other to bigger environment.
Yes, and I know this would be very good for like role playing with it, like playing like little stories.
Yeah,
out as well.
exactly. It's like a role play.
Yeah, it's very cool, and like it's like so it's interactive, it's like educational, and also just creative too. Like you have this.
Correct.
Yeah, it's very cool to like just stimulate everything with the children.
Yeah, thank you. And they can put a part and play with the puzzle inside, and the role play with the diorama.
Yeah, it's very cool. I can imagine them just going to school now and scaring all their friends and just going like, wow.
Yeah, and it's really cute. It features symbolism, design, and aesthetic.
Yeah.
So it's very cute.
It's very like slim as well.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so if I was very interested in like ordering these products, where could I find the information?
Let me show you my business card. So I'm Jimmy. So you can contact with our website.
So there's all this information on the card?
Yeah. Halftoys.
Halftoys.
That's our brand.
Halftoys is very cool.
Yeah,
It's Halftoys, but leaves a full impression in my mind, so it's very cool.
Yes.
It's very good talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dara.
Very good.
Thank you. Very nice to see you.
Very